movie Baal Zindagi talks about a poor farmer's son who dared to dream big, and he wanted to actually pursue business, and he was successful. In the beginning, at the onset, he had to face a lot of troubles, as anyone could face when you start a new venture. But his persistent effort gave way and he emerged victorious. He actually took up the job of a tiles man, where he actually incorporated with other people. Even Chinese magnate was there. He used to say that China, in India, you all are snake charmers, but we are snake eaters. And even in US and all, products are from China. So we Chinese excel in every field and we are indispensable. And this movie is all about the venture which he takes, but above all, there's also a love story between Reena and Ashok. Ashok is the person who dreamt big, and he had married Reena when they were just kids, and they used to stay in a desert on the sand, Rajasthan, and he was Sudhir Mishra is the grandfather of Ashok, and he also had like as usual in most of the desert places, you have scarcity of water. So there also the same problem happened, and they used to actually dig water effortlessly. They had to incorporate a lot of ways by which they could get water. And there was a belief that if someone digs herself or himself in the desert sand and chants a particular thing, after a certain time the Almighty will bless them with water. So one of the girl, Ashok's actually fiancée, the wife, who was just a child, she actually buried herself in the sand for this. But later on, few of the villagers started accusing the grandfather Sudhir that he has purposely put his daughter-in-law in the sand. So she was taken out. But this water problem was a very impending issue there. So my friends, just value things which you have before you want to value diamonds or other riches. Just value simple things like electricity, water, and above all, the thing which comes above is love. So if you have basic necessities of life, you should consider yourself rich. I'm not saying that you should not be ambitious. Of course, ambition is an extremely good thing. If we don't have ambition, we will never try for anything. But yeah, these things which we take for granted, like water, especially in this movie what they have shown, is so scarce in so many places. 4 stars.